How to share Discord profile link. Hi everyone, this is Max. I hope you are doing great, so let's start without wasting time. First of all, open up Discord application. Now tap on New. Now go to settings. Scroll down. Tap on Advanced and enable developer mode. Now go back. Open up any chat. Now tap on your profile. Tap on three dots. Now click on copy user ID. Now go back to home screen. Open up Notes application. Now type discordapp.com/users/ and paste the user ID here. Now you can share this link. So that's it. If you found this video helpful, smash that like button and subscribe our channel for more awesome content. Have a burning question, want to suggest a topic? Drop down a comment below. This is Max signing off until next time.